You are heading out on a long, straight highway road trip. You reach over to tap your cruise control button to give your right foot a much-needed rest, but the little indicator light on the dashboard remains totally dark, and your vehicle just continues to slow down. If you hook up your code reader and find a P0649 staring back at you, your engine computer has detected a malfunction specifically within the speed control lamp control circuit. While a burnout bulb might sound like a trivial annoyance, your powertrain control module, or PCM, takes it very seriously. Every single time you turn your ignition key on, the main computer runs a rapid series of electrical self-tests across the entire controller area network. It sends a tiny voltage signal out to verify the integrity of the cruise control indicator light circuit. If it detects an open circuit, a short to ground, or absolutely no resistance where a bulb should be, it logs this code and entirely disables your cruise control system as a basic safety precaution. It essentially refuses to let you use the system if it cannot visually confirm to you that the system is active. To tackle this without spending a fortune at the dealership, start with the absolute easiest potential culprit. Do a simple key on engine off test. Turn the ignition key to the run position without cranking the engine and watch your instrument cluster. If all the other warning lights illuminate for their bulb check but the cruise control light stays dead, you very likely just have a cheap, burned out bulb behind the gauge cluster. However, before you spend hours taking your entire dashboard apart, you need to check your fuse box. Look for the specific fuses and relays that power the instrument cluster and the speed control system. You must test these fuses with a digital volt ohm meter while the circuit is actually loaded, because a hairline crack in a fuse might look perfectly fine to your naked eye but fail completely when electricity tries to flow through it. If the fuses are rock solid and you replace the bulb, but the code immediately resets, you have to start hunting for a broken or shorted wire. Check the wiring harness where it routes near the steering column, as the constant tilting and moving of the steering wheel over the years can easily pinch and sever those fragile wires.